Good evening to all our beautiful subscribers all over the globe. This is your amazing channel, remember Brothers, and I'm host of Mendy. Today, we take a walk from Brufut Junction to Turntable. We'll give you road view uh, of this place and the usual traffic congestion on a daily basis, most especially during the weekdays. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to click the subscription button and click the notification bell so as to get all our subsequent content. Thanks for your support. Here we go. This road is not very wide and it caters for more or less all people. As it is the road that links Turntable to most of the coastal areas around, from Brufut to Sanyang and all the way to Gunjur. The same route can be taken. So it is very strategic. It is very strategic. However, it also comes with many unfortunate stories. And in most cases, it is caused by overspeeding. Drivers around here, especially those from Kanji, overspeed a lot. And the truck drivers, in some cases, are also involved in serious accidents. Road traffic accidents around this place is like a norm. So people should be very cautious when taking this route. Above all that, as we know, coastal areas are always amazing. Tourists from all parts of the globe, precisely Great Britain, annually visits the Gambia, enjoy our sandy and sunny beaches. The journey continues. A fleet of amazing cars. Brufut is an amazing place. Brufut is beautiful. Brufut is unique. And the place has existed for over 500 years. So more than 5 decades as we speak. 500 plus now. It has an amazing history. I worked on it, however, my focus was on terrain. So if you would refer back to our videos, you will get some information about the history of Saramenteng in Brufut. Yeah. And the journey continues as I am speaking to you. We are currently working on a nationwide tour, a historical fact-finding mission. And our target is Region 3. Hopefully before the end of next month, the journey will commence. However, that of this region had already commenced as 3 different interviews had already been conducted. We are faced with financial constraints, and that is why things are being delayed. So if you could help us in any way possible, either in cash or kind, we will be grateful, and it will make our work easier, and it will also aid us to give you quality content. Let's rewrite our history. Our history is not that which the European left us. Our history is not that which the Eurocentric scholars told us. There are white ladies enjoying. If one may predict, you would say they are the British ladies from Great Britain. No. But the bulk of our tourists come from this place. There's this feeder road. It is amazing. This feeder road is amazing. I accessed it some time ago. However, I lost the video. That was why I didn't upload it. But maybe someday I will go over and then take a video and share it with you. It is amazing. And again, the drainage system is also well structured. I think these things have to be put into consideration. That is why one reason why we always have floats. You construct roads without considering the drainage system. Then it continues. I will give you a video and discuss. A better look. From there, we also look at the stray cow. And I also love to cross the road and look at the other side of the road too. We have stray cow here. I think the council has to do something about the stray cows. Their numbers are increasing by the day. Measures should be taken. The trucks. Let's look at the condition of the road. And these are subs. Business is going on as usual. I would love to cross the road and then give you a view of the other side of the road too. However, I'll wait on this cars to pass as it is risky trying to rush around here. One has to be very cautious around this area. This up. Business seems to be thriving around this end, and it is so close to Brufut. Phase 1 and phase 2. It's a very strategic area. It is very strategic, and the value of the police around this area is huge. Huge. Then it continues. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to click the subscription button and click the notification bell So as to get all the subsequent interesting videos we upload on this channel. We are going towards the supermarket. That is the right choice supermarket. Have these food sellers around. Okay. Now, as we are heading to Turntable, Turntable is also a connecting road, approach you to many roads. Once you get to Turntable on your right, you can go straight towards traffic light. From traffic light, you can go towards Costa Road, taking straight from Costa Road to Airport Junction, around Yarambamba. Once you get to Airport Junction, if you want to go to Brikama, you take your right straight. If you want to go to the airport, you take your left. So the strategic location of these roads cannot be overemphasized, as they link to many places. They link to many places. Yeah. Behind you, go to Brufut. From Brufut, you go towards Tanjung. From there, you go straight to Sayang. And all these places are coastal areas. Yeah. We have this coast away on my left. You can see the tourists enjoying themselves. And now going towards Tranquil Resort. And on my right, you have the Gum Juice Junction. Yeah. Oh, sorry, I had to pause. Because I'm not an uncle of mine, so I have to greet, exchange greetings for a while. Yeah, the journey continues. Then I have to leave the road a little bit and then walk by the shops and see. I think that will also give us a sense of what is transpiring here with regards to trade exchange. Yeah, so it is important sometimes to go a little bit from the road and focus on other things. It's all about what is going on in the Gambia, you know. Yeah. So let's explore. Let's explore. Almost at AGIB Bank, Gambia. On my right, I have the petrol station. Yes, this is AGIB Bank. I call it the Islamic Bank. I'm going to watch Turntable, and hopefully I'll be there in some minutes. Keep exploring. Let's explore. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to click the subscription button and click the notification bell so as to get all the subsequent content we will be posting on this channel. I'm your host, Aman Mendy. And please do not forget about the nationwide tour that we are working on. The nationwide tour has to be successful because it will determine a lot in the future. Determine a lot in the future. Because through this we can be able to preserve our own history, educate ourselves and our cultures, debunk the misconceptions that the Eurocentric scholars or racist Europeans have told us about our own history. We have to start as this truck is coming. Fortunately today, the traffic is not very congested. Usually it is very congested here at this time of the day. After people have closed from work, rushing back home to go and join their families, for some to eat their meals, spend time with their families, and for some just closing from school. So that is how things work around here. You can see many shops being owned by the Indians and the Lebanese. And you know, this has been a trend. This did not only start now, for those who understand. This has been going on since the colonial period, especially that of the Lebanese. The Lebanese, that's why sometimes when you look at them, we feel that they are not Gambian. Some of them can trace their families up to maybe 3 generations or even more. It depends on the time at which their ancestors arrived here. But some of them never knew about where they came from or where their ancestors came from. They were born and raised in this country. They got married in this country. They invested in this country, and all they do is in this country. So these are things that we have to understand. And the same thing applies to those at Ghana town. Although not all of them are Ghanaians, but then we have Gambians too. Ghanaians who are already citizens. So it's been very cautious, especially in immigration development. Whereas to some, you must possess a Gambian name to be a Gambian. If you are not Omar or Ibrahim, you cannot be a Gambian. Yeah, James or Peter or something like that, and you are not a Manjako or a Barante or something like that, then you are a foreigner. Yeah, it's not based on that. Yeah. Anyway, Turntable is here. We have the flyover ahead of us. Whoa. We have the flyover ahead of us. So let's see. I have some tourists in front of me. The season is on. The season is on. But this year we are expecting to host the OIC, the second largest summit. So it is huge in the whole world. Presidents from and leaders from 3 continents or more, 3 to 4 continents, are expected to arrive in the Gambia on the 4th and 5th of next month. Preparations are in high gear, although not very exciting, and some Gambians have already concluded that this summit has failed already, and the blame is on His Excellency So some have already concluded that it has already failed. and comparisons have been made between the Gambia and Senegal, and how Senegal benefited immensely from this, which the then President Abdullah Wade utilized so impressively, and today Senegalese are benefiting. Now, if you look at all this, we owe this to the OIC. Yeah, but some Gambians are not convinced. Say, enough is not done, enough is not done. So, I don't here to conclude or to tell you this and that, because all you do is listen to your opinions and your views. But we can hear from you. Do you think the OIC is a success? Or is the OIC going to be a success, or has it already failed? Or are your reasons? You can drop them in the comment section. You want us to do a video on that, we can do that. Yeah. We want to give you the content that you want. Yeah. So don't forget to subscribe and journey with us